Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's cooking class, I'm going to teach you all how to make a classic Valentine's Day treat: chocolate dipped strawberries.
Ooh, nice.
We're gonna be using fresh strawberries, melting chocolate, and we're using these sprinkles. Now let's get started. First, we're gonna melt the chocolate using the double boiler method, which includes a pot of boiling water and a medium bowl. Bring the chocolate to the bowl. Then we stir the chocolate like so until it's completely melted. Okay, now that we've melted our chocolate, let's start dipping. Okay, you grab the strawberry from the tip like so. The chocolate. Place it right here until it dries. Watch. Grab it from the head. Dip in the chocolate. Place right here. Anyone like to give it a try?
Me?
Everyone, come on. Okay, first grab the strawberry from the house. No, remove the leaves. Don't remove the leaves. No, you don't remove the leaves. Dip in the chocolate like so.
Yeah.
Start to hold it.
Oh.
And place right here. Thank you, Paul. Alright, first grab the strawberry and bind home, like so.
Yes.
Grab my strawberry.
Glad it's doggy. Okay. Put in the chocolate?
Yep. Whoa. Then place in here.
Yeah.
Take a strawberry, by the helm.
Not fun.
And we dip in the chocolate.
That's it.
Yay! I know.
Alright, pay close attention, everyone. First grab a strawberry by the helm.
Take one, Jenny. No, Jenny, take one.
Matthew.
Good job. Come, Jenny. Come. Good job. Come.
Alright? Oh, yes, but there's one thing we should
No
do first.
coffee. Picking no coffee. You picking.
Why are you picking?
What's the picking?
He's picking.
Use
Pick on the
a
finger.
fork.
You know, my favorite. See?
And drizzle some more chocolate on top.
Picking that. Oh.
You can get a little fancy look.
What's the picking?
Keep it.
Thanks.
Picking.
And now we add in the sprinkles.
The sprinkles. Yay.
Something after for Easter.
Valentine's Day, not Easter.
Easter's that time. I know it's gonna.
Easter's in April.
Alright.
It's like this snap crackle pot.
Sorry for the noise.
Be good.
Be good.
It's the best.
And just like that,
Be good.
we got
Wow.
we got
Yes,
some romantic Valentine's Day.